If you washed away my vanity, if you took away my words, if all my world was swept away, would you be enough for me? Would my beating heart still sing? And if I lost it all, would my hands stay lifted to the God who gives and takes away? If you take it all, this life you've given, still my heart will sing to you. When my life is not what I expected, the plans I made have failed, when there's nothing left to steal me away, will you be enough for me? Will my broken heart still sing?